Today we're gonna see one of the largest villas in Tuscany. It's located on top of a hill with 11 bedrooms, 13 bathrooms. Listed at 6 million euros. Obviously, I couldn't do this alone. Chiara from Dreamer Real Estate is here with me. Hey Chiara, how are you?
I'm very good. I'm very happy to present to you this amazing villa.
Yeah, this is amazing. This place, wow.
Yeah, dates back from the 16th century and actually was composed from a main villa and another annex which was an old farm in the past.
Which is divided into 3 apartments, right? We'll see later.
You came prepared.
Yeah, I am. This time prepared.
Good.
So,
let's start from the main villa.
Can't wait.
Let's go. In total, the property is 1,600 square meters with 11 bedrooms, 13 bathrooms, and the amazing Italian-style garden outside.
Wow. And it's all listed for 6 million euros. Well, Chiara, this is the main living room, right? I say main because there are others.
It's true. In this ground floor, there are lots of main room like this, living spaces, there is a dining room, and all these living space are full of historical elements. And look at these luxury furnitures.
Yeah, I love it. And on top of this incredible furniture and the very comfortable sofas, I can't help but notice that the house is full of incredible frescoes.
These frescoes was originally attributed to Luca Giordano, which was one of the most famous artists of that age.
Wow, and this is the original crest of the family, right?
Yes, it's a family crest. It's a family crest. It's actually a frescoes that the owner found under the wall during the renovation of the villa, and is a family crest of the family Altoviti and another Spanish family which was connected to the Altoviti one.
Wow, that's fascinating.
Super fascinating.
Let's keep going.
Yes.
Let's go. The flooring is cotto, right?
Yeah, the cotto is actually the typical Tuscan flooring that you can find in all the historical villa like this.
Yeah, we've seen it in other apartments in Florence.
Yeah, in the city center, in the Renaissance Palazzo, you can find the noble floor.
By the way, if you missed the other videos of the apartments in Florence, don't worry, just click the tab above and let's go. Wow, and this is the main suite, right?
Yes, we have the main bedroom here with an ensuite bathroom, and then in this part we have the walk-in closet, another bedroom and another bathroom. But please come with me and let's have a look at the view from here. Now I have a surprise for you.
Yeah, let's go see it, can't wait.
Let's go in the basement. Actually in the cellar of the property.
Wow. Is this the surprise you tell me?
Yes, correct. Not only this room, then I will show you the other cellar, but this is the place where the owner keeps all the bottles that they produce of Vinsanto.
Ah, this is the Vinsanto.
Yes.
I never tried it before.
It's actually a sweet wine that normally in Italy we drink during the dessert.
And also you can see, is this oil?
Yes, exactly. It's very nice, the typical Tuscan olive oil. And this, Tommy, is actually the proper cellar.
Wow.
Look how big it is.
It's a big space. If you would actually buy the house, what would you like to do here?
I would create a private wellness area here.
Wow,
Luxury with like indoor pool.
Me too.
Yeah,
Oh,
amazing.
look how deep it is. I mean, you could do basically everything you want. Having parties.
Yes, sure, yeah, of course. So this is one of the 2 kitchens of the main villa.
Wow.
It's actually the most functional one and the most used from the owner because actually it's in the ground floor and it's very close to the dining room. But there is another one, which is the typical Tuscan kitchen.
The classic.
Yeah, exactly, the classic one. As you can see, there are all the ancient pots hanged on the wall and there is the grill, so it's very good and you have the proper Tuscan atmosphere there.
But by the way, this kitchen is actually amazing. I mean, look at the view. If I lived here, I wouldn't know if I rather prefer to have lunch here or in the dining room.
I would prefer the garden. Let's go.
Yes, hai ragione. Let's go see it.
Ragazzi, che ne pensi, Tommy? Sei contento?
Sì, absolutely. Cos'è questo qua?
Quelli sono i coccoli.
Coccoli?
Coccoli e stracchino. Poi vabbè.
All'interno c'è lo stracchino?
No, a parte.
Ah, ok.
Buon appetito.
Grazie a tutti. E grazie Andrea per ospitarci.
Davvero.
Ragazzi,
Ho provato il lampredotto, non mi è piaciuto.
il prodotto per me lo mangerei tutti i giorni.
Davvero?
Infatti ogni tanto me lo faccio anche in casa.
So, this is the old farm. There are 3 apartments, right?
3 apartments. Each apartment is with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms,
Wow.
living space and kitchen. And they're totally renovated. So down here, we actually, Andrea can confirm, have 6 hectares of land with 600 olive trees. That's why they produce oil. I think this villa and the atmosphere is perfect to share.
Yeah.
To share, enjoy with organizing party, organizing dinner. We are in the Italian style garden, which is between the main villa and the annex.
Yeah. Anyway, if you think it's amazing, we are like surrounded by fruit trees and olives, lemons and centuries-old plants, and we're just 7 kilometers from the city, from Firenze, which is amazing to me.
It's true. We are in the middle of the nature, so actually I think it's a strategic location.
Yeah, on top of a hill,
Top of the hill.
so we can enjoy the view and
Yeah, of course. And also, what is good is that the high street is very close. So in few minutes, you can leave the city and you can go
wherever you want.
wherever you want. Exactly.
And this is the living room of the main apartment in the annex, the old farm. And Lori, facciamo una partita?
Dai, ti prego.
Fantastico.
Facciamolo. Ah, quindi posso scegliere. Sono un principiante, anzi
Se
non
neofita anche meglio.
Dai!
Ah, non mi ricordo più chi ha le piene.
Sì.
Pianino! Ma poi queste sono le buche strette, cazzo.
Ok, guys, I'm gonna win.
Fortuna del principiante, Lore. Chiara, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And one last question. Did I do good as a real estate agent?
I think you're ready to sell.
Thank you so much.
I swear.
Thank you. Bye, Chiara.
Bye.
I think I'm gonna take a shortcut.